Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to submit a recurring payment authorization letter in the online portal. So when you first log in, you want to go ahead and click on this orange I want to button. Then click on Submit Recurring Payment Authorization Letter. Click New Payment. Select the account. Select the asset. Click Next. Enter the payment frequency. We can do monthly or quarterly. Keep in mind that we can only do the recurring payment for the same amount. So if the payment fluctuates, unfortunately, we cannot set that up as a recurring payment authorization letter. Select the date that you want the payment to go out. Enter the expiration date. Enter the payment type. Enter the total invoice amount. Enter the percentage your IRA owns of the property. Sometimes clients will partially purchase a property, so the IRA would be 50% owner, just for example, and then there would be also another owner as well. If there are any specific instructions, you can enter them here. If not, you can leave a blank. You want to enter the information of who we're sending the payment to. We can send in wire, which is $30. ACH is free. Check is $10. Cashier's check is $30. And you can leave these fields blank if you do not have that information. For the check memo line, if there's nothing that's special about it, you can just put NA. We can send it via regular mail or overnight. Overnight is $30. Click Next. Here's where you want to go ahead and upload the invoice, property tax bill, utility bill, etc. Click Next. And this is just going to show you the breakdown of the fees, $10 check fee. And it's asking you how you want to pay that $10 check fee. Click Next. You want to go ahead and make sure you click on the checkbox there and click Submit. And that's how you submit a recurring payment authorization letter. It will be reviewed in 1 to 3 business days. If everything is in order, we'll go ahead and get that processed. And if it is processed, you should receive an automated email. And that's how you submit a recurring payment authorization letter. I hope this helps. Thank you.